Welcome back to our processing tutorial. In our last one, we added characters to our background image. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a title to your window and also labels to your characters, which you could use in other instances. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to need to do here is add an instance of the PFont class. So I'll do PFont. I'm just going to name it my font, semicolon. And then we'll go down to setup. And in the setup window, we're going to say that's title text. It's just commenting the code. And I'm just going to say my font is equal to create font, which is a built-in method in the PFont class. And then I'm going to pick a font and a size, relatively big, so 48 point. Then I'm also going to do text align and do center. Okay. And in the image, down in the draw method, we will do textFont, and then my font, and then again the size that we want it. All right, let's run it and see if we get what we want. And the title is not showing up, so I must be forgetting something. Let's see. Well, we need to give it the text that we actually want to put on the screen. So we need a couple more lines here. We're going to need text, and then the text we want to put on there, Deer Hunt Game. And then where to place it. So I'm going to do the one in the middle. I could do width divided by 2. And then I need it from the height down from the top. So I'll do 100. So it's pretty close to the top. And then we'll run it and see if we get what we want. There we go. Deer Hunt Game. And it's centered in the window. Okay, so I don't think we're going to need the text align center. Let's run it without it and see if we get the same thing that we want. No. So that's actually doing the centering for us. Okay, and so both of these are important, it appears. Both the text align center here and the width divided by 2. Alright, so now let's say we want to put a label by our deer. So we can actually do the same thing, and we're still going to use, let's just use the same font, so we can still use my font. So where we have our deer 1, we want to actually put a label by in that says dad or something like that. So we'll say text add, and then we want him basically at the same location as the deer, but maybe a little bit up. So we'll do 120 and 290, and we'll try that. And he's still a little off. So we can, let's see, he needs to be over a little bit, and he needs to be down a little bit. That's a little bit better. Still could use a little bit more. So over 60 and then 40. That's better. So you could have different labels for different deer in your game. Or you could identify different objects as needed. Okay, so that's adding text and labels to an image.